right, so I'm about to try this 212 Thermo Sweet Heat Spicy Mango Axe and Sludge Supplements. Shout out to the man himself, the HWMF, Seth Feroci. Just kidding, he didn't send me this, but shout out to him anyway, because I feel like a lot of the stuff that he says is, you know, pretty spot on, and he's very genuine and honest with everyone. Pretty excited about this flavor. Don't know what it's gonna taste like, but we're gonna find out. If I can get this open. Look at that! Got smoke coming out of it or something, I don't know. Oh Lord. Sorry. Oh, sheesh, man. Oh my God. All right. Hold up. And this says, oh Lord, 1 scoop. Oh yeah, 1 scoop, that's all you take. Man, it's spicy. I'm not even drank this yet. That is so much better than what I expected. That is really good. It's like super sweet in the beginning. The mango, you can taste it, and then that spice comes through. Man, that is good. Good job, Mr. Feroci.